Hello, in this tutorial I'll guide you through the process of using ChatGPT with Google Docs. While ChatGPT isn't directly integrated into Google Docs, you can easily utilize it alongside your documents by following these simple steps. The first step is to go to your Google Docs. First, go up to the top left and click on Extensions. A tiny drop-down menu should appear. Then click on Add-ons and click on where it says Get Add-ons. And this should take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. When it loads up, search for GPT for Docs. Now, there are a lot of options, but we want to go for the one by Talarian right here. Click on it and you can see it works for both Sheets and Docs. Next up, click on where it says Install, then click on Continue to proceed. So you might need to allow some permissions to install, and once you do, it should be installed. Then we can click on Next and on Next and on to the next page, and finally click on Done. Now let's close this window and go back to the Extensions panel. You should see GPT for Sheets and Docs installed. Next up, go to where it says API key. So this is where you'll need to enter your API for OpenAI. Now let's open a new tab. Type in platform.openai.com. This will take you to the OpenAI page. You may need to log in or create an account. If you don't have an account already, that is. Now on this page, go to where it says View API Keys. Here you'll need to generate an API key. Do so by clicking Create New Secret Key. Now, copy the generated API key and go back to your docs and of course paste the API key that you copied. Once you've confirmed it, click on Save API Key. Alright, so far so good. Now to test this out, let's create a new document. Now go to the Extensions panel, go to GPT and Launch. Now, go to the sidebar. Here you can write a prompt and insert it into your document. So, let's see an example. I'm going to write a prompt and click to run. Now as you can see, it generated a response from OpenAI and inserted it into our document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly incorporate GPT into your Google Docs workflow. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Happy writing!